Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy chicken recipe. First, select your chicken. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs are ideal for quick meals. Next, prepare a simple marinade. A good marinade, even for just 30 minutes, makes a huge difference in flavor and tenderness. Finally, season generously with basic spices like salt, pepper, and garlic powder. This foundational step ensures delicious results every time. Now, let's explore some quick cooking methods. Pan-searing is fantastic for a crispy exterior. Aim for 6-8 minutes per side. If you prefer baking, set your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 20-25 minutes. Grilling offers a wonderful smoky flavor. 5-7 minutes per side over medium-high heat usually does the trick. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Ready to get creative with flavors? A squeeze of fresh lemon juice and some chopped herbs like parsley or dill can really brighten up your chicken. For a sweet and savory option, try a simple honey mustard glaze or a store-bought teriyaki sauce. If you like a little heat, chili powder, cumin, and a dash of your favorite hot sauce will give it a fantastic kick. These variations are easy to implement and transform your meal. Finally, let's talk about serving and meal prep. Cooked chicken pairs wonderfully with roasted vegetables or a crisp, fresh salad for a complete meal. You can also slice it up for delicious sandwiches, wraps, or to add quick protein to any dish. And speaking of easy meal prep, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient in the kitchen. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.